Hello and welcome to VLogic, the logic video blog. Today we're talking about syntax trees. These are trees which show us the structure of a sentence. They show us how it was put together. A syntax tree is a tree whose leaves are primitive sentences and whose other nodes are connectives. Here's an example of a syntax tree. It corresponds to this sentence here. We build big syntax trees from small syntax trees. Here's a small syntax tree. It's a single node, P. Here's another syntax tree. It's a node P with a root node negation. We can combine those two syntax trees by adding a new root node conjunction. And we can carry on combining smaller syntax trees into bigger syntax trees until we get something that looks like this. Given a sentence, what does its syntax tree look like? How do we build that syntax tree? Here's how we do it. First of all, we have to work out what our root node's going to be. It's going to be the main connective of the sentence. In this case, it's if and only if. Now we have to work out what to put in each of those child nodes. So what we do is we look at the parts of the sentence that were connected by the if and only if. We work out what their main connective is. On the left, it's an arrow, an if-then, and on the right, it's a negation. So we put those symbols in as our child nodes. And then we repeat this. So we ask, what two sentences did the arrow connect? It connected a conjunction and a primitive sentence are. So we put those in as the child nodes of our arrow node. And we repeat down this side of the tree until we get down to primitive sentences. That's our leaves. And we do the same thing on the other side. Which sentence did our negation negate? It negated a disjunction. So we add a disjunction node, which has two children. And what sentences did this disjunction connect? It connected two primitive sentences, P, Q. So we put them in as the children of our disjunction node, and they're leaves of the tree because they're primitive sentences. In this video, we've seen what syntax trees are and how to build a syntax tree given a sentence. That's all for now. Hope to see you back at VLogic soon.